Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a recent update which HubSpot has launched. And basically what that does is, even if you now populate data on a Google Sheet, you can sync it into HubSpot at a contact level. And I feel this is a game changer because for a lot of use cases, especially in terms of events, at events, what I've seen is a lot of HubSpot users normally populate all of their uh, attendee data on an Excel sheet, which is then imported back into HubSpot. Now, what this particular update does is you can populate all of your data on Google Sheet, and then with a click of just a button, you would be able to import all of that data into HubSpot without having to manually download the Google Sheet and then re-importing back into HubSpot. So we'll see how to do that. And to start off with, you would need to go to your Google Workspace Marketplace. I'll drop a link for this connector in the description. So once you do that, you can either do an admin install for all of your users or an individual install. You go ahead with admin install, click continue, and then these normal Google prompts. And if you see, it has been installed. Cool. So now I come over here. Say, for example, this is an HubSpot event I attend. So I've put in the basic data of the first name, last name, and email. And what I'll now do is I'll populate this with some data. First name is Onkar. Okay. So now I have my demo data ready over here. And what I need to do is go to extensions. Over here, I'll see the Google for Sheets CRM Connector. I will click on launch and then it will give me this pop-up. Cool. So over here, what you can do is you can change this sheet name. So what this will do is this import name. So this will do is, because anytime you populate this data in onto Google Sheet and import it back, HubSpot will create a separate static list out of it, which will keep updating when you update this particular Google Sheet. So I'll just name this HubSpot event. Okay. Import all rows and select the header row. So over here for us, the first row is the header row. So that's fine. I'll move to prepare your data. So over here, now if you see, Google's Breeze AI will automatically work in the background and try to map all of our data into the HubSpot field names. So it has rightly identified the first name, last name, and email. I'll go to click on import contacts. And if you see, it's creating this particular record. Cool. So it's imported. And now if you see, this window will automatically pop up on the right hand side. And it will show me that it has been generated. And now if I go to my lists over here, it will, so if you see, it has automatically created this list called HubSpot event. And if I click on it, it has it has already added this particular contact into HubSpot. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can populate all of your contact details for the specific event over here. And once that's done, all you need to do is go to extensions and click on import contacts, and it will import all of your contacts into HubSpot again. So that's how easy it is. You have no excuse now to not use HubSpot because you're using because you're using Google Sheets for storing all of your data, because HubSpot's made it simpler for you now by just installing this connector and then populating your Google Sheet and then just clicking a button to import it back into HubSpot. So I hope this was useful. Thank you.